The best protective case provides a necessary barrier during use, transport, or underwater adventures, preserving both the functionality and the image quality of the Max 2. We delve into 3 protective cases for GoPro Max 2.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have the ZBAGUG silicone case. The ZBAGUG silicone case represents the simplest, most versatile form of protection, focusing on enhancing grip, preventing scratches, and offering light impact absorption for daily use. This silicone case is custom molded for the GoPro Max 2, providing a snug all-around fit that shields the edges, corners, and battery door from scratches, drops, and shocks. Made from soft yet durable silicone, it effectively absorbs impacts, minimizes vibration, and offers a secure, non-slip grip, ideal for action sports and outdoor filming. Its slim, lightweight design adds virtually no bulk, and the precise cutouts ensure effortless access to all buttons and ports for smooth shooting in any scenario. The included detachable lanyard allows convenient hands-free carrying, making it perfect for hiking, biking, skiing, or any adventure where you want your camera protected and ready to capture the moment. On number 2, we have Fitstill waterproof diving case. For those who plan to utilize the GoPro Max 2 for deep water adventures, the Fitstill waterproof diving case provides the ultimate layer of security against water pressure and corrosive environments. While the Max 2 has native water resistance, a specialized diving case significantly extends its usable depth, often to 40 meters or more, which is crucial for scuba diving and advanced water sports. These cases are engineered with a rigid housing, robust sealing gaskets, and clear bubble-shaped lens ports designed to minimize light refraction underwater. The Fitstill case ensures that the camera's internal components remain completely dry and that the dual lenses are protected from the crushing forces of deep sea pressure, making deep underwater 360 capture possible. On number 3, we have Honlyn frame case. The Honlyn frame case offers a protective solution that prioritizes mounting flexibility, heat dissipation, and easy access to ports. Unlike a full housing, a frame case typically utilizes a lightweight plastic or aluminum skeleton that wraps around the camera's body. This plastic protective frame is designed for the GoPro Max sports camera, offering a secure fit that doesn't interfere with access to control buttons or the battery cover. It provides full-edge protection and uses a long screw lock system for quick and effortless installation or removal. The built-in cold shoe mount lets you attach accessories like a fill light or microphone, making it ideal for vlogging and enhanced video shooting. A 1x4-inch screw hole at the bottom allows the frame to be easily mounted onto various brackets or supports. It's the perfect protective layer for vloggers, filmmakers, and users who frequently rely on external gear and need a sturdy base that still offers high-level impact protection. So these are some of the best cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.